Alright, some Peking raviolis. 2 cups of flour, a large pinch of salt, and a cup of warm water. Made this is good for about 2 dozen raviolis. It's good for about a pound of pork. And you just roll them out into a bit of a circle. That's good. Pound of pork, some garlic, scallions, teriyaki sauce, spoonful of cornstarch to stop the water running all over the place. And all you got to do is pinch it like that, and then pull that over and join it to the other side. Where is? Can't see it. Yeah, there. Pinch it again, stick it on, pinch it again, just work your way down to the tip, pinch the tip, come back and just do the other side. I can't find the camera, oh the hell with it. There, anyway, you end up with one smooth side and the other side has got the crimps on it. And then the bottom, you just want to flatten it on the table, so it's like that. So you got that flat for where you fry it and make it crusty on the bottom, and then add water and cover it and steam them for about 5 minutes and they're done. It's dead simple.